Hello my dreamers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making an YouTube video after a long time. I was absent on YouTube from few months but from now I promise I will make a YouTube video on every single week from onwards. So I promise. So let's get into the today's video.
If you find the one, you should never give her up.
Today I will try and taste some skincare products from the brand Snana, an Ayurvedic brand. I got my hands on two products from their brand. One is Snana Goat Milk Soap and the other one is Snana Turmeric Water Hydrosol. So let's see some product shots. So first, let's get some brief idea about the brand Snana. It is an 100% natural synthetic free, no added color or fragrance or perfume, and totally approved by drug and cosmetics. And so now we will talk about the products. So the first product we will talk about it is Snana Goat Milk Soap, and this is Snana Goat Milk Pomegranate Basil Soap for normal skin. This opens like this. And here comes the beautiful soap, and it comes in this beautiful packaging. I just love this wooden box packaging, and it is so beautiful. So let's try this. Okay, for your kind information, there is no plastic. It is basically a trace paper like paper which covered the soap. And there is a branding Snana. Here's the pale yellow colored soap. I put this on this back, covered. It has mild healthy like fragrance. I have no idea about basil leaf fragrance or pomegranate. I don't think have any fragrance. So what I feel is like this have turmeric like fragrance. So now we will try this out on our hands. You guys will see the result on hands. Before trying this out, I was reading its back side, and here the ingredients written on this are castor oil, coconut oil, olive oil and different types of oils, and other than these eucalyptus, lemongrass and palma rose, goat milk and some distilled water and sodium hydroxide. The net weight of the soap is 90 gram approx, and it has a shelf life of 12 months, which is great I think for a soap. You can buy this soap at their online website www.snana.com, and now we will try this out. First I will wet my hands, then I will apply this soap. It is 100% paraben and sulfate free, and Snana provides you age and skin type customized products, so you have no risks of using a low age or high age or facing skin problems. And you can use this twice a day. It provides lather. It provides great lather. As this is a Ayurvedic product, you can also use this on your face also. Wash my hands. Normally basil soap has many benefits. Among them, it balances skin pH very greatly and keep it healthy. Regular uses of this can reduce your scars and shedding of dead skin cells, and it also improves your complexion. This one gives a clear white look, which this hasn't, and this also feels so soft on hand after using this. So you can try this product definitely. It's a big thumbs up product. Moving to the next product, that is Snana Turmeric Water Hydrosol, and this is like this. It is of 250 ml, and it have to be used within 2 months of opening the pack. So let's open this. Actually, what does the turmeric hydrosol really mean? I have no idea about this previously. So I moved to their website and search about it, what it does really holds the meaning for. And I found that I will read as I note it down. So I will read for you that turmeric water hydrosol is water-soluble, nutrient-rich water of the herb turmeric prepared through traditional technique of steam distillation. The steam distilled healthy water has varied use in life form being an effective ingredient in skincare to health boosting, ingredient in our regular food and beverages recipes, and much more. I will use it as a toner, and the brand also claims that it can be used as a sparkling water in your salads also. It has a different kind of smell. Very different. I can't understand what kind of smell is this, but it is not too arrogant, not too soft also, but a mild, different kind of smell. Let's use this. As you can see, I have cleansed my face using a cleanser, and now I am taking some cotton and I will take some drops of it and apply on my skin. This comes in a glass bottle, and I am so much feared to use any glass bottle. Okay, so I forgot to tell you about the soap at the time, but the soap can be also used as a makeup remover too, which is a great feature I think, and benefit also. So now I will apply this. You can see that this side is normal skin and this side is toner applied skin. I don't know why, but this side gives a pinkish glow to my skin. You guys can clearly see, but I see in camera that this side has a pinkish glow, which is a very subtle glow and looks great on my skin. I'm so happy to use this. I will also apply this on this side. Both sides gives an immense pinkish glow, and this is super amazing, super. So happy. You guys have seen the result of this. The brand claims a lot of product benefit from this. Among that, some product benefits are super hydrating skin toner for all skin type and all age group. Effective nutrients like vitamin B complex and C helps to deliver vital skin essentials to the skin. It claims that it will also reduce hyperpigmentation and fine lines, which I think need most of the women above 30. And nowadays also below 30 you also need this for. It is a regular use product like this, and it acts as a super tonic to ease inflammation and seek relief from muscle and joint pain too. Okay, there is also a restriction given about this product on their website that anyone having kidney problem just don't take this. I don't know why, but maybe turmeric affects the kidney more or this water, but anyone with kidney problem don't take this. Otherwise, I will give it a big thumbs up. You can really buy this product from given link and just go for it. And wanted to buy the product, go ahead to my description box. There is a link given for this and buy from that. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Click on the red button and make it grey as soon as possible. You can also comment down the next topic for my video in the comment section. So see you in next video. Bye.